have in front of me a Patio flat roof satellite mounting bracket. So it's available directly from freetv.ie. So if you just look at, we'll say, the key options on this, or why we would use it. The reason that you would go for a product like this is that you have a satellite dish, maybe up to, we'll say, 120 centimeters, we'll say, and you want to come along and you want to secure it, securely mount it somewhere, but you don't want to drill a hole into a wall, something like that. So you can come along here, and the basic idea is that it comes in 3 component parts. It comes in this part here, unit, the same mirror image on the far side here, and then you have the unit in between. And if you actually look, there's actually slots here, and that's because when you receive this, it comes in a flat pack product. And what happens is that the pole itself is just run down the center here, okay, out of the way. So when you get it, you assemble it. You have a total of 3 bolts. There is 1 bolt that I pushed in here already. Another bolt then will just slide directly through here and pops out another hole on the far side. So there's a hole in the center, slots either side to make it easily mountable, and we come along and do the same here, and then we have little lock nuts here, and so it locks directly in. So once we have that, then it's extremely secured, locked into position. And what we do at that point in time then is we come along, and if we look at the spaces here, so the overall base itself, if we're just looking at the dimensions there, that's basically 1 meter by 1 meter in both directions. The overall height then is 95 centimeters high, and the diameter is 50 millimeters, or basically 2 inches here, so it should be ideal for larger dishes. So to give it a lot of strength and rigidity, so it won't blow over in the wind, particularly if it's a large dish on it, what we can do is we could drop something like patio type blocks directly in here, and concrete blocks on top of that, and that is just going to give us the extra weight that we need to be able to successfully mount it here. So like it's not a particularly top-selling product for us, but there is a niche in the market for it, simply because there's a lot of applications here where people might be restricted from mounting onto a wall, or they don't have a surface mount wall around that'd be suitable for holding a large dish, and this is probably a safer way of mounting it in a lot of things. The one reason that people can mount it directly off a wall, other than that it's a solid surface that you can mount on, is that they need to have a certain height, but often people could be using something like this if they had a flat roof area, something like that. So that's it anyway. Oh, by the way, the entire thing is manufactured and galvanized, so like it's really a quality product in terms of that. People could use it for both domestic but also more commercial uses. People are moving around satellite dishes, want to set up at different locations, something like this. You can transport it relatively easy, and it just won't rust over time. So that's it anyway. The Patio flat pack roof satellite mounting bracket, available with free delivery, or with standard delivery directly from freetv.ie.